Hey, this one's for all you attorneys and lawyers out there that are looking for a little more business, I guess. I love you guys. You guys have saved me a few times from the law and stuff like that. But I want to help you guys out with, maybe generating some more business for you guys. Because I'm no dummy. I know how incredibly lucrative, a lead for you guys are, especially if it's as targeted as coming from the internet. And it's really awesome if you can get a stream of leads from the internet for a pretty good price. Basically, there's never been a time in history that we've been able to get such targeted leads in real time like this, and been able to test everything like as fast as we can as on the internet. Okay, we could have someone, in Orange County, California, and just make sure that an ad only appears to them with geo-targeting, which is through IP addresses, and they can tell like literally what city you're from, and you can get that lead that second after they fill out the application. It's just amazing. But like for instance, here I put in right here personal injury lawyer in Orange County, California, and we do a search. Now, if you've ever advertised on Google like this, you know that this is going to cost you well over $1 per click. More like around, if you're just starting out, probably around $5 a click or something, just for a click. And then if someone comes to your site, are you an internet marketer? Do you know what converts the best? Do what kind of application form gets a 50% conversion? No, you don't. You're not an internet marketer. You're focused on the law. I know what you guys do. Um, this isn't your specialty. But say you were gonna hire someone like a pay-per-click, expert or a company, and you know, they're gonna charge you a lot, and they're not guaranteeing you any results. They're just guaranteeing you maybe like lowering your pay-per-click costs or a certain amount of traffic, which is, traffic could just be BS. It could be not converting. You don't know what's gonna convert. Do you have the time to like split test a million different, landing pages? So basically, what I'm trying to introduce to you guys is performance-based, like lead generation. Basically, we set you up with a landing page. We know what converts the best. We know how to market for the cheapest. We're putting the risk on ourselves, and you're only paying if we generate a valid lead. And here's an example right now. This is one of our pages that we designed for attorneys. Converts very well right now, so you can kind of get a sneak peek of what converts good right now. It's really simple too, but as you can see, application right there. You can't miss that, which is why it converts so well actually. But anyways, the point is, if the person puts in all their information here, all you're paying for is if it's completely valid information. So basically, there's very little risk on you. You just need to do what you do best, and talk to them, convert them into a sale or whatever you guys do. But basically, you're not doing anything. You're just getting that lead and you're paying for it. This one, it's pretty lucrative. It's like they're paying $15 about right now if all this information gets submitted. So basically, it's pretty cool because there's no risk on you. You're getting valid leads, you know, and you can get a lot too. It depends. We're not just gonna like dump a bunch of leads on you and make you pay, make you like sign a contract that you have to like pay. You can pause it at any time. You can stop, getting leads at any time, and then just pay for the leads that you've gotten, and you can get your leads in real time, like right after they submit it. You can call them up, like within the next few minutes. So it's pretty awesome. Very highly targeted, very high quality. Yeah, that's about it. So if you're interested in, if you would like to generate leads on a performance basis, then just email me at alex@leadgenerationjunkie.com. Or I also have free training videos on my site, which is leadgenerationjunkie.com, if you want to kind of learn. But I don't know if you guys have the time to learn all that. I think it's better the other way. So just check us out. Thanks. Bye.